First, if you've got Visual Studio installed and you use it to write your code, open the Visual Studio installer, click Modify and make sure that you have the Unity tools installed. Then open up your Unity project and open Edit and then Preferences and make sure that you're looking at External Tools. Then set your external script editor to your chosen Visual Studio version. This will be the one that you installed the Unity tools for. Then you can close the preferences. Now again, just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm adding a very basic script and I'm going to attach it to a game object in the scene. Then I'll open up the script in Visual Studio and you'll just see the default Unity script. And I'm just going to add a debug log. Now, to use breakpoints, you need to click Attach to Unity up the top. And if you don't see this option in Visual Studio, it means that you haven't installed the Unity tools or you've not set your default script editor correctly. To set a breakpoint, you need to hover over on the left of your code, then you'll see a little grey circle appear. So clicking this will turn it red, and that means that your breakpoint has been set. Now if we go back to Unity and we run the game, my start method will execute and my breakpoint will be hit, as shown by the yellow highlight here. Now we're in control of what code executes and when. So if you press F10 or you click the step over button, you can execute the current highlighted line of code. Now let me add a somewhat more complex method, okay? I'll set my breakpoint so that I can easily step through each line of code, and if you want to check a value of a variable or property, you just need to hover over it like so. If you want to easily watch multiple values, you can right click on the variable and click Add Watch, but you have to be stopped via a breakpoint to do this. This will make a window appear in Visual Studio showing you all the variables that you're currently watching, and these will update in the window in real time as you skip through all your code. So thanks for watching this short wee intro to breakpoint debugging in Unity. If it helped, liking the video would be massively appreciated. See ya!